I just bought this Saxon hand lawnmower, and I'm going to unbox it, and then we are going to assemble it, and I'll be using it, and then we will see how it works. So I used to work with electrical lawnmower. This is the first time I am working with manual one, or I would say the hand power one. So let's open it and see how it works. Okay, this is the grass catcher. It's heavy. And these are the parts. These are the screws. You can see. And manual. Okay, now we are going to test our manual lawnmower. Let's see how it goes. Now you can see the grass is trimmed. It has done a reasonably well job. The nature strip is looking much better now. As long as the grass is small, you can keep using it to be at the same level. But if the grass is all overgrown and the size is like around 5 or 6 or 7 inches, then I would say that this tool won't work, and you will need a lot of effort to use it. I would recommend to use electric lawnmower, But if you want to continue, like, to keep the size of the grass as it is, so once a week or maybe, twice a week, you can use this just to keep the grass at the same level, and then your job will be very easy.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. The tool is fine. I would recommend you to use it. I would rate it as 6.5 or 7 as by my personal usage. It's handy when the grass size is small and I can use to keep it like this one. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video and goodbye.